Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is actually day 2 now. Let me show you what I got going on. This is what's left over from the van. Basically they called me and they said, hey, what's your ETA? I said, oh, I'm still unloading. He goes, well, we have a 2 p.m. Appointment for that vehicle, so we're gonna need that back. And I'm like, oh man, okay. So I basically just threw everything here. So this is all that's left, and I just threw everything down, and I'll just say, well, I'll just come back and finish it. But I was so beat. My arthritis was killing me. I was basically just limping everywhere. Don't get old, folks. Don't get old. I give it a 1 star. Not recommended. There's nothing I can do about arthritis since it's runs in the family. So I basically have to cart everything back behind the building. This is the building here on the right. I would have filmed more, but I knew I had to get done. Let me show you how much wood I managed to get and stack. So yeah, that's all of it. This is it goes 3 rows back. What, 5 feet high? Yeah, I did all that yesterday myself. This all has to go. I'm actually going to take this to the park and dump it because this is a western hemlock. It's really hard to split. To say really hard is an understatement. It's kind of the downside of getting free wood. You get stuff like this. And since I don't want it on my back porch anymore, I'm just going to take it and dump it in the park because it's just wood. It's not like it's been sprayed or treated or anything. And we have all this from last year, which I may not have to go to the woods and get smalls like I did. I'm gonna get my cart. And what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna haul this to the car, throw it in the back, grab a load of wood, bring it up. I need to clear this area real fast and put my pallet down so I can stack it on the pallet, so I'll do that. And not really looking forward to it. I'd really rather sit and relax more, but I gotta get this done, so. This cart sure makes things a lot easier. I'm just gonna haul those to the car. And then these 5 big ass, a couple of these are maple, 3 of these are maple, the other 2 are western hemlock, so they gotta come out. And I got my, this is where I'm gonna stack that wood I just showed you in the beginning of the video. I'm just gonna stack it there, let it dry all summer. And I didn't say, but I'm gonna put everything, a lot of this is gonna go in the storage shed. Once it's dry, probably around the first week or so of fall. And I'll just stack everything inside and leave the rest out here and then pick off of it first and burn it. So I should have enough for next winter in one go. So nice.